Hello, and welcome back to another Evergreen Grease Service video. Today's video will go over the importance of line jetting. This video will tackle exactly how line jetting functions and the steps that Evergreen Grease will take to make sure your pipes look brand new. Let's start off with what line jetting is. Line jetting uses high pressure water system to blast away any unwanted debris that might be blocking your pipes. Jet lining cleans the lines from the kitchen to the interceptor, the sewer line, or the grease trap line. Here is what the standard jet lining nozzle looks like. Now, it may look a little funny, but the water protruding out is to make sure that the water is hitting every angle of the pipe, to make sure it gets at every spot when cleaning. It's very important to keep these pipes clean, since if they go unmaintained, they can cause blockages, leaks, and backups. To prevent these problems from happening, here is a step-by-step guide of what Evergreen Grease does to make sure your line jetting experience is perfect. Initially, you will be greeted by one of our service people and asked to show them where the line is. Once the access point of the line has been located, which is usually through a grease trap or a grease interceptor, the line will then be scoped with a small camera and pictures will be taken. We will then feed the water hose into the pipe until the line has been fully cleaned. The line will then be scoped with a small camera, and pictures will be taken of the clean line. And then finally, we will ask for a signature to sign off on the work once it has been completed. Thank you for watching, and I hope all of you who have tuned in have a great day.